Hi guys, it's me, Jackee Love, and I am cooking with love. And right now, I'm making some strawberry shortcake. You know how that is, the summertime coming. I am washing off my strawberries and I'm going to cut them up. Okay, now, so I cut up the strawberries, nice and still kind of big. Cut some of them in fours and some of them were smaller, so I cut them in half. And I took off the tops, and here they are here. Okay, guys, I got the strawberries in the mixing bowl, and now I'm going to mix it with this Marzetti glaze for strawberries. It's going to be really good. Yeah. Boy, does that look good. Okay, now I got it all whipped up and I'm just going to show you this delicious blend, and I'm going to then pour this as much as I want because I love strawberry shortcake, and just top it off with my favorite Cool Whip. And we're all done. Oh my god, I'm just gonna taste this right now. It is totally delicious. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Jackee Love out. That was good. I'm a dragonfly.